Do you wish you could serve delicious, healthy, homemade meals to your family? Well, you don't have to be a trained chef to make amazing, mouth-watering meals like these. That's because cooking just got a whole lot smarter and easier with CleverChef from Drew&Cole, the new intelligent digital multi-cooker. With a touch of a button, CleverChef simplifies cooking and takes all the guesswork out of making delicious, healthy, home-cooked meals. What's the secret? It's CleverChef's 14 pre-programmed, preset smart cooking options, which automatically adjust to ensure the perfect, precise cooking time and the right temperature for virtually every kind of cooking and all your favorite meals. Say goodbye to that rice cooker, steamer, slow cooker, and all those roasting pans. CleverChef replaces them all. CleverChef eliminates virtually all the cooking mistakes people make for delicious, consistent results every time. In one sleek, compact, countertop kitchen wonder, you can perfectly steam, sauté, roast. You can even slow cook delicious tender meats. There's a preset cooking option for healthy, flavorful fish. Even built-in smart cooking functions for extraordinary soups, mouth-watering pasta dishes, and so much more. It even makes great breads. And the smart bake function is phenomenal for making great desserts. A piece of cake. There's even a DIY cooking option, making it easy to customize time and temperature to adapt to your own recipes. And the taste you'll get, out of this world. With CleverChef's ingenious flavor lock technology, every meal cooks gently, evenly, and with a precise amount of steam release, locking in all your food's natural flavors and seasoning. Everything you cook is infused with remarkable taste and tenderness. Treat yourself and your family to delicious everyday meals that you can cook with a touch of a button. Get clever in your kitchen with CleverChef. It can't wait to cook for you.